Hi everyone, meet the Sorpci electric spin scrubber, a powerful cordless cleaning brush designed for effortless scrubbing. It features a 5000 mAh battery, IPX7 waterproofing, and an extendable handle from 24 to 48 inches for hard-to-reach spots. With 3 adjustable speeds and 2 angle settings, this scrubber adapts perfectly to your cleaning needs. It comes with 7 replaceable brush heads, making it versatile for surfaces like tiles, glass, cars, and more. The ergonomic design helps reduce bending and fatigue, turning cleaning into a more comfortable experience. Fast Type-C charging offers up to 180 minutes of continuous use, so you can clean longer without interruptions. Plus, a storage hook and brush head bag keep everything organized and ready for your next cleaning session. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.